पूनम पांडे ने तो किया है public stunt, but I am going to be very blunt. Did you know that cervical cancer is the second most common cancer in women all over the world? Or to or, every year in India, about 1,23,907 women get diagnosed with cervical cancer. The commonest cause of cervical cancer is the HPV virus, human papilloma virus, which is spread through sexual contact. It happens when the cells in the cervix change, which is the communication between the vagina and the uterus. वैसे तो मोस्ट केसेस में हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम अच्छा होता है एंड दिस वायरस गेट्स वॉश्ड ऑफ, but in some cases this virus stays in for years and gets converted into cancerous cells. Taking your HPV vaccine can save you from cervical cancer by approximately 95%. तो अगर एक वैक्सीन से हो सकती है आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम खत्म, तो मत करो अपने पे ये सितम. I urgently request all women between 9 and 45 years to come and get their HPV vaccine as soon as possible. Get it today. Don't delay. Okay?